Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCG-TV, we're taking a closer look at choosing new batteries for your golf cart or industrial machine. Maybe your cart came batteries not included, or maybe the batteries you do have just don't perform like they used to. When it's time to make an investment in batteries, there are some important things to know to get it right the first time. Golf carts and some industrial machines use a special battery type called deep cycle batteries. They're different from automotive batteries and other types because of their composition and long discharge time. Basically, this means that they're specifically manufactured to function in a way best suited to charge and use on a golf cart. They're versatile enough to power other applications as well, but we don't know you. Maybe you're a supervillain building a 48-volt death ray. We don't want them falling into the wrong hands. They're best maintained by keeping them to a full charge when not in use and keeping distilled water filled into these caps. Each of these caps represents a 2-volt cell inside a 6, 8, or 12-volt battery. This one happens to be a 6-volt battery with 3 caps. When you multiply the number of batteries in your machine by their voltage, the result is the total voltage of the machine. For instance, a 36-volt golf cart would have 6 of these batteries. Golf Cart Garage has packages meant to outfit any cart, as well as some industrial machines like forklifts and floor scrubbers. Ordering these packages is very simple, especially with our help, but that said, it's a bit different than ordering pretty much any other kind of product. Because these batteries are rather large and heavy and do contain some battery acid, they must be wrapped on a pallet and delivered by a large trailer truck. Your delivery point must be accessible by an 18-wheel vehicle, and an appointment is usually made for the delivery after it's contracted by our warehouse. This delivery turnaround time usually takes just about a week and a half, and they arrive fully charged and ready to install and get you back to work or play right away. Just like your friends at Golf Cart Garage, these batteries are energetic and positive, but all batteries have a negative side too, and they need to be charged. So at some point, we'll get together to discuss charging these batteries with the very best golf cart chargers in the industry. But that's another episode for another day. If deep cycle, wet cell, or lead acid batteries sounds like the annoying music that your kids listen to, we're here to answer all your questions. Check out the link to this battery selection and package in our video description below, and stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Remember to subscribe below for more episodes. Thank you for watching GCG TV.